Singer Island. Singer Island. Arrow to the ocean. Singer Island. Singer Island. This is the cobwebs. I mean, Singer Island. Dagatag sihi. Sihi. Ay, Singer Island. Wow, nice ang sand niya. Tama na siya. Oh, very nice. Wow. Wow, we can go fishing in here. Yes. And these are oysters. These are oysters. But we're gonna get some oysters. A lot of oysters. Over here. You can see if there's some fish swimming. Yeah, there's a lot of shellfish. Wow, it's very nice.